Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You will start by preparing the device and the app. This matters because Pinterest follows system theme on most platforms. First, update the Pinterest app. Once done, enable your phone or tablet system dark theme in settings so Pinterest can inherit it. Make sure you are signed into the account you use regularly and wait for the app to finish syncing. This ensures the app reads your system preference and is ready for the next actionable step. If Pinterest does not switch automatically, force the dark appearance at the OS or browser level. This is the key middle step. On Android, enable developer options and turn on Override Force Dark or use Accessibility Dark mode if available. This forces unsupported apps to render dark. On iOS, set appearance to dark in display and brightness. On desktop, use your OS or browser dark theme, or check the Pinterest account menu for a site theme toggle. These methods make Pinterest adopt dark styling. Finish by restarting the app and confirming the dark appearance across feeds and profiles. This ensures cached UI elements update. If anything looks inverted or odd, like images or icons, disable the Force Dark override and rely on the app's native dark theme where available. Make sure both your OS and Pinterest app are up to date, and if the theme still fails, clear cache or report the problem through Pinterest Help. One key tip: toggle the system theme off and on to reset app theme detection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.